welcome to a new vlog. In today's vlog, we are going to be going to the pumpkin patch. We are currently on our way right now. We're just stopping to get some gas, and then we're going to go head to Dunkin' and get a little pumpkin spice latte. I was kind of thinking I wanted to go to Starbucks, but Dunkin's a little bit closer, so I think we're going to go to Dunkin' instead, even though I don't know, I want Dunkin's coffee more, but like I want Starbucks food because I haven't ate today, so I need to eat something. So it's like kind of like, I don't know which one I should go to, but Dunkin's closer by, so I think we're gonna go there instead. And yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get there. I know for sure I'm gonna get some water because I'm really thirsty, and then I'm also gonna get a pumpkin spice latte for sure, and something to eat. So yeah. If I sound weird, it's because one, I'm trying to be quiet. I don't know why, I just like feel weird talking to myself sometimes, especially like when I'm in the car at a gas station pumping gas. So I'm being a little bit quiet, but two, I'm like really thirsty, and I feel like you can tell just like by the sound of my voice that I need some water. So yeah, stopping at Dunkin' is going to be a must.
Small iced signature pumpkin spice latte.
So cute.
Small.
So we just got out of Dunkin'. I got my pumpkin spice latte, and there's John.
Yes.
Also ignore all this
stupid crap.
He loves to go fishing, and he just actually got a canoe, right?
Kayak.
Oh yeah, kayak.
It's in the back seat.
It actually folds up. It's
there it
really
is.
Nice. Yeah.
Tech Kayak, not sponsored. Unless.
Aren't they on sale?
They are on sale. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're looking for something like that, be perfect time to go and get yourself one. It's really nice, right?
It's pretty dope. Really good if you don't have a trailer hitch or roof racks. Very good for that, and I have neither of those, so very good for my situation.
Because you drive a Toyota
Camry.
Yeah. Look at this sandwich. It looks so good. Do you want a bite? You want to try it?
I would try it. Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you the nicer half. Because this one's all sloppy.
Oh, sorry.
How is it? You like it?
Solid. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Does it taste better than the panini at Starbucks?
No.
No, yeah. Yeah, they're not as good as the paninis at Starbucks, but they are really good. So I'm gonna eat this because I'm gonna eat this off camera because it's kind of messy and I don't want to get my hands all messy and be touching my phone, so I'll see you guys in a bit. We made it. Ooh, so pretty.
Yeah, you can make just about any.
So we arrived at the pumpkin patch and apple orchard. And they have like a couple of other stuff here too, don't they? Yeah. Like plants and stuff.
Some rainbow chard, some kale, a whole bunch of kale over there.
It looks kind of dead, but it's actually really nice out today. Oh my god, there's a grasshopper. Look at the grasshopper.
You're watching an expert at work here. I have a whole childhood doing like nothing but this.
Oh.
Okay, maybe I'm a little rusty. I'm like 10 years out of the game, but it don't matter. Done it once, you've done it a million times. There you go.
Aww. Let me see him.
There he is.
Oh, wait, hold on. It wasn't in focus. Wait, hold on. Whoa.
There he is.
Bye, grasshopper.
That soup. That's thrown in the soup.
Oh my god.
People want to see the soup.
Is that your pumpkin?
This is my pumpkin.
You getting that one?
Large.
You want to make pumpkin pie? So you want to buy one from here?
Yeah, like a, I don't know, I'll see what they have up front.
Ooh, I kind of like this one, but it looks a little...
There's a little bit of, ooh,
Yeah.
Squish back here.
Oh my god, it left your shoe imprint in it. Do you see that?
That's what's up.
That's so funny. Out of all the pumpkins, I'm like, oh, this one looks kind of nice. And then, yeah, no,
it's like a little tattoo. So, guys, I will tattoo your pumpkin. Cheap ink. Okay? It's per the hour, like $200 an hour, but you want inked up pumpkins. I'm your guy.
I think this might be the one.
That's the one.
It looks like a witch.
So sweet.
Don't it?
It's got a big hat.
Yeah, it got like a little big stem.
Yeah. Lovely.
That one's really cute. I like that one.
This one's wonderful.
This one's also kind of nice. Oh, it kind of has a mark on it though.
That's whatever.
This one looks good though.
That one's a stellar pumpkin.
Ooh, wait, what about this one over here? Ooh, I kind of like this one. It has like a little twirly stem. Isn't that one cute? So I found this one. I think this one looks pretty nice.
It's pretty cool. It's a good pumpkin. It's a good one.
Do you think that's the one? Does it feel right?
It feels lovely.
I have a little fun fact for you guys. I am allergic to pumpkins, surprisingly. And it's actually a really rare thing to be allergic to. However, even though I am allergic, I still love pumpkin spice lattes. Like, I'm just a sucker for that kind of stuff. I used to not like it, but as I've gotten older, I've really grown to love pumpkin spice stuff. So yeah, but it's funny, I'm like allergic to it. What you doing?
Harvesting carrots. Clearly.
Are you getting carrots?
Well, I guess, because I already got this one.
So you're gonna just take the rest?
I might as well.
He thought they were beets,
Yeah,
so he was trying to see, but...
That was really silly of me.
Do you need carrots?
Carrots are great. They give you night vision. Did you know?
Huh. They look so cute.
Full of vitamin
They're
A.
kind of weird looking.
Full of beta carotene.
I really want to go look at the colorful pumpkins.
Let's go do that.
See some like blue ones. Hopefully I can find a pink one. That would be cute.
That'd be great.
John's too busy digging up beets, so I'm gonna go look at the pumpkins. It looks so cute. Oh my gosh. I really want like a Cinderella looking pumpkin. So that is, I think, what we're gonna try to find. I like the look of this one. That one's cute. There's so many. Here he comes. I kind of like this one. It has like a few warts though, but
Classical.
it's pink. It's cute. Ooh, I like the look of this one. What are your thoughts?
It's a good one. Solid.
Ooh, look at this one. That one looks rough.
Wow, look at this one.
Oh, that actually kind of looks cool. I kind of like that. Even though that's not really my color palette, it's still kind of cute.
Passes my.
It looks like a little like chair, but maybe not comfortable with that.
I thought it looks like a little UFO.
That's actually a pretty nice one. Ew, but it has like water or something on the top of it. Did you see that?
Oh, it's got its own little puddle. It's its own little ecosystem. I don't know.
Ooh, that one looks nice back there.
Which one?
Can you grab that one right there? That one actually looks pretty nice. He's going crazy with the beets.
I'm going nuts.
So this is our cart so far. We have one pumpkin and a bunch of beets.
And a bunch of beets. And that's kind of the way it's supposed to be.
Where's my pink pumpkin though?
In there.
No, it's not.
It's a beet.
It looks like a dumbbell.
Like, wait, are these? So there's like this gourd they used to like make watercolors. I think. If I'm not mistaken, you can make a water bottle out of this.
A water bottle?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
It's really cool.
You want to try it?
Maybe. I don't know if it's the one though. So.
This one was cute from the other side. Then it has that.
Okay. We do have this.
Oh my gosh.
We have this. Nice size, ample girth.
There's a little bug on it.
Wonderful circumference, generally very portly.
John, where do you think my pumpkin's at?
What?
Where do you think my pumpkin's at? Is it this one?
No, I'd say it's this one. That's the one. That's the winner.
There's yours right here.
Yep.
I can't find one.
This is unfortunate. Ooh.
Oh, we forgot our cart.
Yeah, we did. I'm gonna go grab that.
Oh, I like this.
This is what's up.
So I kind of like these.
These are cool.
But then do you think looks good? I kind of like this. I don't know.
That's a good one.
So this is what our cart looks like, and I think we're gonna check it out and get going.
Let's do it.
Oh no, he found the sage. If you take John to any sort of farm, he's gonna go ham.
This is the effect. In every cause, there is an effect.
Guys, he's going crazy.
It's a problem.
He is in his element. Show my vlog your hands.
Yo, that's what's up. It's a sign of a good day right there.
Yeah. So we are now heading out. It was fun. Did you have fun?
A good time.
We were thinking about stopping at this one apple orchard, but I think it's closed by now.
It's like we have like an hour.
Yeah. Plus, I'm kind of feeling a little tired. For some reason, I don't know why. I'm like never tired, so that's really weird.
It's just like wired constantly. It's insane. But
I'm just feeling kind of sleepy. I don't know why.
feel sleepy.
So yeah, we're gonna head out. I don't know what the rest of the plan is for today. Is there anything you want to do? Specific?
Oh, we're going to Ikea.
Oh yeah, I forgot
that's
about
fun.
that.
We're going to Ikea, and then we're gonna make some really badass soup. So that's gonna be great too. So
Maybe we'll take you guys along with that and give you like a little recipe video.
I'll give the little recipe for some bitchin' soup and some pickled beets, because we have like pounds of beets. It's insane. Just
You know,
pounds of
John,
beets.
you and me, we need to film more and we need to make like cooking videos.
Yes, that's what's up.
I feel like
That's what it's all about.
that would be really entertaining for you guys.
Yes.
And yeah, we should definitely do that. For sure.
You say I'm it, and all your actions match with your words. I say I'm in, but so much fire can be turned
So we just got our Swedish meatballs and we're with Miles. I know this, but Ikea actually has veggie meatballs.
I got plant
So we're gonna
balls.
try it.
You getting the plant balls. Oh. Oh. Lovely.
They're good. They taste kind of real.
Sort of real. Man, that's what's up. It's almost
I
real.
like it. It's good.
It's good. It's so good. Bah.
What's this? Do you know what this is, John?
Lingonberry jam. That's what's up.
What is it for?
Eating,
Just eat it.
savoring. Yeah, you're
Oh
like
wait, I got my little phone.
school lunch peas and carrots, and that's really what's
Wait,
up
show
right
them
there.
yours. You got a cute one. Sweet.
Yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Look at my new home. so cute. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I didn't film the rest of the night because my phone actually died on me, so I wasn't able to get other footage at Ikea. But basically what happened was we were at Ikea, then we left, and then we went and got ice cream at Culver's, and then we just chilled the rest of the night, and that was pretty much it. So it was a lot of fun though. I had a really good time yesterday at the pumpkin patch and Ikea. I did not purchase anything at Ikea, but I wanted to because I saw that they had a down blanket, which I am obsessed with down blankets, and I want to get one, but I want to upgrade my bed first before I get like a new comforter and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna wait on that for now, but yeah, I really wanted the down blanket there.
Would you go looking for my love, my love, my love? Oh, would you go